How's it going? I'm trading in my 2016 Ram Ecodiesel today, and I just wanted to give an update of 5 years of use on my KatzKin leather seats. It was the first upgrade I did to this truck. I had the cloth seats and they stained super easy, so I wanted to get rid of them. And anyways, I'll just go real quick through the truck just to kind of show you some of the wear and tear that I've seen over the last 5 years and what I think about them. So here is my driver's seat, and you can see some fading here in the coloration. And this truck does have a small lift, so I have to slide off the seat to get out. There's a little bit of crinkling here, but it's not, I mean, it's not bad at all. I don't know what these, I've got a couple of white spots on here and I'm not sure what they're from. I've tried getting them off and I cannot. I feel like I'm actually starting to rub it raw, trying to get them off of there. But other than that, I bought this kit on eBay. It was super cheap. I think it was like $700 back when I bought it, $5.99 or $6.99. Here's the passenger side. You can see it doesn't have that same discoloration wear, but there are some wrinkles. This side does not get used near as much, obviously, but it does have some scratches. I think some of them had keys in their pocket or something here. But 5 years and it's still in, I think it's in great shape personally. But man, these seats are awesome. They're comfortable, they fit super tight, they look factory, and I really have no complaints other than black gets really hot in the summertime, but that's going to be any leather seats. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what to expect, and I give them a thumbs up. All right, thanks for checking out this video. Y'all have a good one.